Hello students, welcome to CSMSS College of Polytechnic Aurangabad. Today I introduce course of management. Course code is 22509. Myself Dhanashri Lahore, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. After watching this video, student can able to understand the syllabus of management. Intents of the presentation. First, rationale, competency, course outcomes, teaching and examination scheme, theory components, suggested specification for design of question papers, suggested student activities, micro project and reference book. So let's see the rationale of this course. An engineer has to work in industry with human capital and machine. Therefore, managerial skills are essential for enhancing their employability and career growth. This course is therefore designed to provide the basic concept in management principle, safety aspect and industrial acts. So the competency. After learning this subject, the student having some aim of this course to help the student to attain the following industry identified competency through various teaching learning experiences. By using different managerial skills for ensuring efficient and effective management. What are the different course outcomes of this course? The first, the student will use the basic management principle to execute daily activities. The student will use the principle of planning and organizing for accomplishment of tasks. Student also able to use the principle of directing and controlling for implementing the plan. Student will also apply principle of safety management in all activities, and student will able to understand various provisions of industrial acts. So teaching and examination scheme of course. So there are total 3 theory lectures, 70 marks end semester exam, minimum 28, practical for 30 and total 100. So there is no only theory is there and no practical examination for this management course. Only total 100 mark theory is assigned for management course, that is the 70 end semester exam, and 30 is the practical assessment. Total 100 marks, out of which you have to take minimum 40 marks. 3 lectures per week is the teaching scheme of the course. So theory component. What are the different components of this course? The first unit is on the introduction to management concepts and managerial skills. They also having a sub-unit outcomes regarding each and every point. They have a different unit outcomes. Means topic wise they having a unit outcomes. So first topic is the definition of management, role and importance of management. Second, management characteristics. Third, functions of management. Fourth, types of planning and steps in plannings. Fifth is types of organization, steps in organizing. Sixth is the functional areas of management, and seventh is the managerial skills. Is the total first chapter syllabus. Now the second chapter is on planning and organizing at supervisory level. They also have some unit outcomes regarding each and every points. So again, that second unit is divided into 2 points, that is planning of supervisory level and organizing at supervisory level. Planning at supervisory level again having 4 points, sub points, that is planning by supervisor, planning activity, detailing and following of each steps. Third is the subscribing standard for various activities, budgeting for material and manpower. Again, the second part of the second chapter is organizing at supervisory level. In that 3 sub unit is there, sub points is there. The first is the organizing the physical resources, matching human need with job needs, and third is the allotment of tasks to individuals and establishing a relationship among person working in a group. Now the third chapter is based on directing and controlling at supervisory level. They are directing again. They having a 2 points, that is directing a supervisory level and controlling a supervisory level. That directing supervisory level having a need for directions, personal counseling, advanced predictions, elaborating decisions, and second half part is on based on managerial control and controlling methods. Now the fourth chapter is based on safety management. Safety management having a 6 subtopics, that is a need for safety management measures, general safety norms for an industrial unit, definition of accident, types of industrial accidents, causes of accident, fire hazard, fire drills, safety procedure, work permits. Fourth chapter consists of legislative acts. That legislative act is having the 2 subtopics, that is necessity of act, important definition and main provision of act, and second is the industrial act, that is Indian Factory Act, Industrial Dispute Act, Workman Compensation Act, Minimum Wages Act. So now there are total 5 chapters. 5 chapters regarding the mark distribution is as following table shows. So there are total 5 chapters, and that 5 chapters is distributed their theory marks on the basis of RUA level. RUA level means R means remembering level, U means understanding level, A means affective domain level. On that basis the marks is distributed. For first chapter 664, the distribution of mark is there, means 6 marks for remembering level, 6 mark for understanding level, and 4 mark for affective domain level. So there are total 16 marks for first chapter. Second chapter 14 marks is there. For third chapter 14 marks is there. For fourth chapter 14 marks is there. For fifth chapter 12 marks is there. So total marks is 70. So the marks distribution is as given table. So as per course syllabus, students have to perform the different student activities. Like the first activities is student have to write assignment based on theory taught in the classroom. The assignment consists of the 10 questions having a answer including chart, symbol, drawing, observation, etc. Second, again student have to prepare a various industrial acts, or student have to download also the different types of industrial acts. And the third is to student have to visit the different manufacturing companies and prepare the report on it. Like we have to collect the different information of company, like organization structure, what are the different safety measures taken in organization, what are the different mechanism used to solve the disputes in the organization. And we have to prepare a report, like you perform the industry expert. Next is you have to present a seminar relevant the topic regarding your syllabus. So group wise you have to perform the seminar on different relevant topic of syllabus. So micro project, again the micro project is based on study of different principles of management in industry. That industry having a 3 type, like a small scale industry, medium scale industry and large scale industry. The different type of company, depending on the type of company, the different management principle are different. So on that basis you have to prepare a report on it, or you have to prepare a case study of safety measures followed in the different types of organization. And last one is also you have to prepare a study based report for measure to be taken for ensuring the cyber security. So for study the detailed curriculum or syllabus of the management course, you have to refer these all types of books, that books which is implemented or suggested by MSBT. So if you have any query, you have to directly contact with me. Thank you very much.